Item for pronouncement of judgment. Item number 6, criminal revision petition 273 of 2018.
Revision petition dismiss. Yes.
May I please, your lordship. But I beg to mention item number 5, my lord. But the conducting counsel, Mr. S. Munir, is out of station for the day, my lord. So, my lord,
Who is the conducting counsel?
my lord, S. Munir, my lord. He has gone to Bongaigaon, my lord. Someone has expired, my lord. So, it may be
Okay. Mr.
S. Rana.
Learned counsel for the learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. S. Munir,
Yes, ma'am.
learned conducting counsel for the applicant. Price for listing the matter on
Any date, my lord.
when?
Yes, ma'am.
On 19th June.
On 19th June. There is no, as Mr. Munir is out of station. There is accordingly allowed. Rest is list the matter on 16th.
On 19th June. Item,
Till then, interim order passed earlier shall continue.
My lord.
item number
Well-
7.
My lord, this case is so urgent, my lord, that's why I'm praying, my lord, to list this matter tomorrow, my lord.
Tomorrow.
Yes, my lord.
Which matter?
This is for bill only, yes. My lord,
What is your name?
my lord, Mrs. S.D. Chaudhary,
Mention.
mention, my lord.
What matter?
My lord, anticipatory bill, the person is in police, my lord, Assam police, that's why, my.
No, you can mention before the regular court because I am sitting in DB now.
My lord, if you permit, my lord, if it is accepted, my lord, may kindly accordingly, this will be get listed
Okay,
in other
okay.
court, my lord, that's why, my lord. Highly obliged, my lord, highly obliged.
For motion, item number 7.
May I please, your lordship? This matter was listed on Friday last, my lord. A CD was called for and CD is available. That's why today.
Yes, a law court, you received the case diary?
CD, I have not received also.
You have not received.
It is not seen after some time also.
Item number 1, for motion bail application.
May I please, your lordship? 439 application, your lordship. The petitioner,
How long you are behind the bar?
lordship, there are two petitioner, lordship. Sahadev is
Rabha.
behind 30 days and another one is 35 days. The allegation is under section 407 and 379.
That case diary is available, Mr. Lawker.
Lordship. Sorry, lordship.
This is regarding which FIR? Yes, that FIR. Few days back, we have called for the case diary. Is it available in your office?
I will check, lordship.
You
Or
inquire it
lordship,
from
can
your
you please
office?
on day after tomorrow, lordship, then lordship, if it is available on.
No, thereafter, we have to, if it is not available, we have to call for again. So better you inquire today. If it is not available, then we will pass the order today to call for the case diary.
I'm paying for fixing it on for CD lordship on day after tomorrow. If CD is available, then only it will come day after tomorrow, or if not available, then I will call for a
We
CD.
have to fix it, yes. You inquire from your office if it is available.
For bail hearing, item 2 and 3.
Another.
Lordship, item 3, lordship, the arrested on 1st April, lordship. Today is the 57 days. 57.
Item three,
Item,
item three, no, item two,
item two, item two.
item.
Lordship, earlier, Lordship rejected, Lordship. I could not, statement is there, Lordship.
What is
What?
the ground for filing this second petition?
The Lordship, the length of detention, Lordship.
Length of detention, is it a sense of circumstance in your
Lordship,
favor?
My footage is not there, Lordship, in the city, Lordship.
Huh?
In the ATM, Lordship,
How you have come across that your footage is not there?
Lordship. The length of detention, Lordship, consider, Lordship.
No, on what basis you were submitting that you were not in the footage of the CCTV?
The Lordship, earlier, the rejected, Lordship, then the city is not reflected, the for today's is,
So whether there was any observation to that effect in the earlier order?
the Lordship,
Yes, Mr. Lawcourt,
So CD available, Lordship, and as per
57
CD,
days.
Lordship, they have admitted their guilt, Lordship. They have, they with a pre-planned manner, Lordship, they have withdrawn that amount, Lordship, from the person of a old aged person, Lordship.
So whether investigation is completed or not?
Investigation has been is not completed, but Lordship, some witnesses has also been collected, Lordship. The witnesses, some statement of the witnesses has been recorded, Lordship.
Investigation not completed.
I need it.
So Mr. Ahmed, whether there's a length of detention is a sense of circumstance in your favor? Because second petition is maintainable only in the case of sense of circumstance.
Lordship, yes, Lordship.
Hmm?
Only Lordship, the my have Lordship, the length of detention, consider. I face the trial, Lordship.
That's all right, but once your petition is
Is the Lordship,
rejected
the
after
actually,
considering the merit.
Lordship, actually, this case, Lordship, he was phone arrested, Lordship. Earlier, he is the, in
No, that's
the,
all right, but the question is whether materials are there against him or not. The learned PP has, additional PP has submitted that there are materials against you.
yes, Lordship.
Then,
I have no merit, Lordship, the, on the length of detention, Lordship.
no, whether length of detention can be considered.
57 days, Lordship, today. The phone arrest, Lordship. Actually arrested he, Lordship, the 16 March. Lordship.
Mr. N. Ahmed, learned counsel for the accused, and Mr. P.S. for learned additional PP for the step. This pair number 20. Mr. Ahmed, learned counsel for the accused submits that this is the second bail application prepared by the accused on the file on the ground of length of detention. And the first application being BA number 1273 of 2024 was dismissed by this court by order dated 16/5/2024. After perusing the case ID. Mr. Ahmed further submits that the accused is behind the bar for last 57 days. And besides, he has only been shown arrested here in this case. And he is ready to face trial and therefore it is contended to allow the petition. Whereas Mr. P.S. Lawcourt, learned additional PP, has vehemently opposed the petition on the grounds that the IRS collected sufficient incriminating materials against the accused and the ground assigned by the accused for filing this second bail application is not at all maintainable. not at all satisfactory, and therefore Mr. Lokor has opposed the petition. Further, having heard the submission of learned advocates of both the parties, I have carefully gone through the petition and the documents placed on record, and also there is the case review with the assistance of Mr. Lokor, learned additional thinking. It appears that the accused was arrested on
First, shown restricted.
the accused was shown arrested here in this case on 1st of April 2024. And since then, he has been languishing in jail as for last 57 days. Further, it appears that um, uh, further, it appears that he was arrested earlier in connection with
Your Lordship, the partial appeals case number
Pachala
28, Lordship. Partial appeals case number 28.
28
20.
of 2000,
2024.
2024. On which date he was arrested in that case?
The 16th March
16th
2024.
of March 2024. 2024. The case ID indicates that the IO has examined some witnesses and investigation is still going on. However, having considered the length of detention as well as the submission of Mr. Ahmed, learned counsel for the accused, this court is inclined to allow this petition. Accordingly, it is provided that on furnishing a bond of rupees 50,000 with one security of like amount to the satisfaction of the learned Chief Judicial Magistrate
Bajali partial.
Bajali Pachala Bajali, the accused be Bajali Pachala, the accused be enlarged on the case there be returned. Number 3.
3 number is the shown Lordship. The petitioner was arrested in the NBW case, Lordship. Then in this instant case, he is shown arrested on Lordship the 10 May, Lordship.
Today 17 days.
17 days today. Shown arrested, Lordship.
Is there any material here?
So he admitted himself.
That was
Case number is same.
same, Lordship.
COVID is yeah, about this,
আপনি বলেন নাকি আমার materials মসজিদে পড়ি আসো materials নাই
Footage নাই.
ফুটেজ না লাগে না মানুষ যে টাইম করতে ফুটেজ দেখবে না
ATM
এই মানা না বলেছি
Mr. Lokor, can I see the case?
Lordship.
So heard Mr. N. Ahmed, learned counsel for the accused, and also heard Mr. P.S. Lokor, learned additional briefing for the state respondent. This application under section 439 services prepared by accused Aminul Haq, who has been languishing in jail as in connection with Atasar PS case number 59 of 2024 under section 420 379 IPC since 10/5/2024, for grant of bail. It is to be noted here that prayer number 20. Mr. Ahmed, learned counsel for the accused, submits that the accused was arrested on The accused was shown arrested here in this case on 10/5/2024, and for last 17 days he has been languishing in jail. Further, Mr. Ahmed submits that he was arrested earlier in connection with
PRC case number 301/2000,
PRC case number
301/2023.
301 of 2023 on the strength of non-bailable warrant
Non-bailable warrant.
issued by the learned trial court.
Trial court.
And that the accused is innocent and no involved with the offense alleged in the FIR, and therefore it is contended to allow the petition. Whereas Mr. Locker, learned additional PP, has forwarded the case before court and submits that the IO has collected sufficient incriminating materials against the accused, and therefore Mr. Accused, and investigation is going on, and therefore Mr. Locker has opposed the petition. Further, having heard the submission of learned advocates of both sides, I have gone to the petition and the documents placed on record, and also perused the case ID with the assistance of Mr. Locker, learned additional PP. The case data indicates that the IO has collected sufficient incriminating materials against the present accused.
The lordship, no footage is there, lordship, in the ATM, lordship. Footage is not there, the CC camera is available in the ATM.
By the way, if CCTV footage is not available, then you cannot commit the offense. Is it your submission?
The lordship.
Investigation, so far the present accused is concerned is going on. And enlarging him on bail at this stage will hamper the investigation, and therefore this court is of the view that this is not a fit case, or the privilege of bail can be extended to the accused, and accordingly the petition is dismissed. Case there is a letter.
Item number 8.
Develop.
Lordship, probably LCR has not come, your lordship.
LCR has not come.
That's-
Okay. Overnight. Office note dated 24/5/2024 indicates that scanned copy of the record has not yet been received from the learned trial court. Accordingly, it is provided that registrar shall issue reminder to the learned trial court for transmitting the scanned copy of the record without further delay. List the matter on 9.
On 10 June.
Sorted.
On,
First week of June,
on 3rd June.
3rd June. 3rd June.
March apply.
Item number 9,
Lordship, here in this case, Lordship, I asked the OC concerned to send the CD Lordship on last occasion, Lordship Friday. But CD is lying at the session court Lordship. That is why he could not send it back, Lordship. Send it to us, Lordship. Lordship, can you fix it on Friday, Lordship? Then he will be able to.
Friday.
Right.
Today is Monday. Why not Thursday? Thursday. Mr. Locker learned additional PT submits that he has not received the case and as per his instruction, the CD is lying in the court of learned session judge Kamrup and Guwahati. And press for and accordingly press for listing the matter on Thursday. There is allowed. This is the matter on Thursday.
But on that day, your lordship kindly see, today is the 3rd occasion, your lordship.
Third?
If I'm not wrong, your lordship, today is the 3rd occasion, your lordship. they
If
failed to
CD is
put it.
not available with the IO Lordship, how it can be
But
sent?
on
Lordship?
that day, your lordship, if they fail, then my prayer,
On that day, if he fail, we will consider your prayer.
yes.
That observation has to be. Okay. In the event of failing to produce the case diary on that day, the court will proceed to hear and dispose of this application without perusing the case diary.
item 4.
Lord, petitioner is in interim, my lord.
You are on interim.
My lord.
When the interim was granted,
It was granted.
8/4.
My lord.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Soma, is there any material?
My lord. My lord, interim, my lord, there is, order is there, my lord, but that is, my lord, in case number, my lord, it is crime branch, my lord, 9, and here is, my lord, it is 5/12, my.
In that case, he has less than bill.
Pardon?
My lord, now, my lord, case diary is, my lord, it is cyber crime case number, my lord, 12 of 23, my lord. And my lord,
Is
interim was
ever
granted.
in cyber?
12, but
12.
interim was granted, my lord, crime branch, PS case number 9 of 23.
My lord, my friend
Only
is, my lord.
different case.
My
No,
lord,
no,
my-
no, Mr. Soma.
Hello?
No, it was granted on 8/4/2024 in connection with cyber 12.
Yeah, my. That is, he can't, it got it, and it was. বুঝি।
Yes. Interim period.
But my lord, then my lord, his statement is not in the case then.
Well, when did you appear?
My lord,
Before the,
but he has not appeared, my lord.
why?
Lord, he was, my lord, he was not searched by police, my lord. That is why he has not appeared.
Then we will cancel your interim.
Lord, whatever,
Interim
my lord,
order. You face the consequence.
my lord,
If you fail to comply with the order of this court,
my lord, so far, my lord, my understanding goes, my lord, whatever was that, my lord, if police sex is present, he will appear, my lord. If I am not wrong, my lord.
whether his interdiction is required or not, that is the question.
My lord, only his involvement is
Because
there, my lord.
while granting this PRS bail,
Yes.
we never direct him to appear before the IO on such and such that we never fix it.
Actually, based on the,
Because
my lord,
he may not be required in that case also. So it is the best person. IO is the best person to
Yes, ma'am.
ascertain it.
actually,
So
I
if
think, my lord, his.
necessary, he can inform him. He
Yes.
may ask him to appear
Yes,
before the
yes,
IO.
because, my lord, based on a, my lord, false report, Mondal report, my lord, his name was mutated in a particular plot of land, my lord. After that, my lord, that order is cancelled, my lord. That is a false report was there, my. So, my lord, his interrogation, my lord, his statement, I think it is necessary, my lord, because, my lord, it is my lord, a huge case, my lord. Lots of people are involved in this case, my lord. Land grabbing in entire Guwahati.
My lord, if your lordship permits, my lord, what my learned friend is submitting, my lord, that is the fact of, my lord, crime branch case number 9. One mutation was done on the basis of a fake deed.
No, okay, now which case there is available with you? Cyber 12 or Cyber
12,
9?
my lord, Cyber 12.
12.
12.
In this petition is prepared in Cyber 12
Yes,
and we have passed the interim order in 12.
yes, man. My lord,
He has not appeared.
this is my submission, my lord. I think his, my lord, statement is, my lord, required.
Required, okay,
Required.
okay. Mr. B. Sharma, learned additional PP submits that he has received the case ID, but the statement of the applicant is not available in the case ID. And his statement is very much, and recording of his statement is very much necessary, and therefore Mr. Sharma contended to dismiss the petition at this stage, whereas Mr. Islam, learned counsel for the applicant, submits that the applicant did not appear before the IO as there was no such direction. Having considered the submission of learned advocates of both sides, it is provided that the applicant shall appear before the IO within a period of 1 week from today. And thereafter, the learned additional PP shall produce the updated case diary before the court. Please the matter on COVID.
On 7 June.
Well, till then interim order passed earlier shall continue. But Mr. Islam, if he fails to appear, now we have directed you.
My lord,
If he fails to appear within 1 week, we will recall the interim order.
my lord. Bless me.
Timing at 7 for motion.
Even CD is here, lordship.
Sit is here
Lordship, we can fix it on tomorrow, lordship.
tomorrow. Okay, Mr. Yes, Lawford, learned additional PP
Nice.
submits that.
Nice.
Case ID is available in his office, and as such, the matter may be listed tomorrow for hearing. Here is accordingly allowed. Please list the matter tomorrow.
Obvious.
Timing at 1.
Lordship, here in CD is not available, lordship.
Not available. Okay. Mr. Mr. P.S. Lawford, learned additional PP shall produce the case ID report is court on.
Lordship, for co-accused on 29 CD speaks, Lordship.
When?
On 29, Lordship, 29 5.
29 of this month.
Yes, day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow.
Then it can be fixed along with
Before your Lordship.
Before this court.
Yes, Lordship.
Then lordship again I think lordship this matter will come before this bench lordship, and that matter may go because this is a rejected one lordship, and I think those are fresh matters which fresh niki আপনার এটা
Etu fresh আর etu
এটা তো rejected না ওটা এখানে দিয়েছি otherwise lordship this matter will come here and this CD will go to another court.
Let me make an observation.
Lordship, that matter is also fixed before your Lordship.
Acha.
Yes.
This is
Mr. Thakur, learned counsel for the applicant submits that. Submits that fixing 29 5/2024
then it
the case ID of Azara Peace case number 85 of 2024 has already been called for by this court in connection with a BA or AB.
BA Lordship.
BA number
BA 1481 of
BA 1481 of 2024.
Lordship.
2024, and on that day, KZD may be perused to dispose of the present application also. Accordingly, it is provided that registrar list the present matter, present application along with BA number so and so on that day, along with the case.
Highly pressed.